Hello friends. Welcome to my channel. Today we are going to learn how to restore burnt areas in photos. But before we start, I want to remind you of one important thing. Always try to use the RAW format when shooting, because this format gives you more flexibility for editing in the future. Now let's open the photo that I took in RAW format. When we open the photo in RAW format, we are transferred to the camera RAW environment in Photoshop. Here we will review and adjust some important settings to minimize overexposure and burn in the photo. The first thing we need to do is reduce the exposure. With this, we can correct the burnt areas of the image to a large extent. Also, from the contrast section, we can adjust the contrast of the image, that is, reduce or increase the difference between darkness and lightness. I will reduce the contrast a little here. Now let's go to the highlights section. Here we can lighten or darken the bright areas of the photo. Depending on my image, I will reduce the highlights as much as possible. We can also lighten the dark areas from the shadows section. I want to lighten the dark areas a little. Finally, I will reduce the whites value and reduce the blacks a little and then click the OK button. Now let's compare the difference between the image edited in Camera Raw and the original photo. Now I will do the same steps on the photo taken in JPG format. We will go back to Camera Raw and apply the same settings. Are you ready to click the OK button? Now we can see what the difference is between the results obtained in RAW and JPG formats. I hope this tutorial was useful for you. Until next time, bye.